Zinshle Zinkamalo $900 sale while cleaning. Jesse $600 while at Clarity 2 Clash. Well done Ntiki $300 sale. Amashle $700 sale. Lulama $620 sale. Well done guys. Well done James $600 sale. Danielle Low $100 sale. Lori, well done, $600 ding. Ellen, $900 ding this morning. Well done, Paula, $900 ding. Ashley Cox, $10,100 ding in the last 30 days. Well done. Chris, $101,800 weekend so far. Well done to all of you. Ding ding, Tashnik, $1,900 sale. Dayo, dollars coming in as well. Well done guys, well done. If you want this, drop a comment ready and let's get you started with online digital marketing. Let's do this.